Hi. So, sorry about not posting the OC video yet. I had my exams going on and I just couldn't find time to even make a little video to inform you all. So, I'm sorry. Um, I've not filmed the whole video yet, but here's a little sneak peek of one of my OCs. This part is not in the video, but I might show the drawing. But yeah, this is my OC Melody. You can probably tell that she loves music and dance, which is very predictable with that name, but we're just too lazy to think of another one. Though I'm willing to change her name. If you guys have any suggestions, please comment them down below. So I was actually having my exams, as I said, and I was also having art block. So I wasn't really able to do anything, and it didn't help that I didn't have time to. So yeah, I was having a lot of trouble finding a way to get rid of the art block. But when I watched a few videos of Sparkle Draws, I literally saw how amazing her art was, and that inspired me to make some more. I will link her channel down below in the description, so please check it out. She's an amazing artist. Yeah, so in this drawing, I didn't really do a lot different for my OC, but I just changed a few little details. The last drawing I did of my OC Melody was done quite a while back, so my art style has, of course, evolved. My art style is just constantly changing. I find little bits and pieces from others' amazing art, which I just like to add to my own. I think some people consider that as art style stealing, but if you're not taking the whole thing and you're just taking little bits and pieces, I don't consider it stealing. And I know many people that don't either. So yeah, I really like how this drawing came out. And I tried a little something different. I don't normally do this on my traditional art, but I added a circle of color to the background. So let me know if you think I should do that more often, because I feel like it makes the drawing a little bit more complete. I used a lot of my different markers with this because in my original drawing, I didn't add any shading or anything, and now in my art style, I like to rely on shading a lot. So I've added that, and I just changed the colors a little bit to make it seem more vibrant and go a bit more with her personality. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you think of the drawing. I look forward to making the OC video, and I hope you guys will enjoy that too. Thanks for watching. See ya.